Hello everyone, and today I'll be telling you guys why you should actually make an e-commerce site for anything that you are good at it. Now hear me out. Even if you have like basic skills or like you're not even good at or a pro level at one profession, but you have a bit of a skill on something that you know that you could make something from it, then e-commerce is a way to go. Now the reason why I say e-commerce is because you could sell anything. Are you good at graphics designing? You could sell it. Are you good at painting? You could sell it. Are you good at singing? You could sell it. Are you good at making music? You can sell it. Even stock photography, stock videos, ebooks, like templates and stuff, anything that you can make, you could sell it. And besides from just digital products, you could also sell physical products. Even though physical products require you to like do the shipping and stuff, inventory management, but if you want to start something, if you have something to actually have plans and stuff, you could actually make it. Digital products being like the best choice here if you don't want to make physical products, obviously. But digital products allow you to instantly give the other like the buyer instant access to the product, instead of like what you call like waiting for 5 or 7 days for the products to reach their home and then checking it out. Instead of that, digital products allow you to actually get it instantly. Now the reason why I'm saying digital products right now is you could make it simply without having any money right now, but depends on your skills also. Okay, so if you are good at art, you could simply just take an image and use it on a POD store also. If you want, that's also an e-commerce. But you could also sell your design just by taking an image of that art that you made or just scanning it. I don't know if scanning works, how it works, but that's a way to make it. I'll just show my site which I made in like 2019, around like October or November of 2019, and I only worked at it for like 1 month. So how about we just get started with that? This is a site I made which I only worked for 1 month. And just like an idiot I am, I stopped working on it after 1 month because this site would have been so much better. Sorry. So this site would have been so much better. And that's why I'm planning to actually change it in 2021, around like when the hosting of this site ends. It would be like around April or May. That's when I would actually update it. But what I did in October 2019 is I worked for 1 month every day to create this site on a really bad laptop. The laptop was so bad that it took me 8 to 9 hours just to create one product. And the PC which I have right now, I could make like 3 or 4 in one day. Not one day, like in 10 to 12 hours. But I still don't do it because I'm still lazy. That's why I want to change it. I'm working on my other passive incomes, but this is also one. So what I would say is, I did spend money on this one at starting. That is for the hosting. And if you don't know what hosting is, it's a server which like stores your website so that anyone can access it 24/7. You will also need to buy it if you want to like have a website for it, or if you can just go for something like blogger.com or some kind of blog website, but you wouldn't be able to sell anything there. But if you want to create a what you call a fan base, or like an audience, not a fan base but an audience, or to create an email list are a good way to create like your first audience, that so that when you reach to that point where you could actually afford an hosting and can make more products, you could simply just sell that, oh, we are providing this many stuffs, and when people arrive on that email list, they will know that, oh, he's making this stuff also, let's check it out and buy it. So how about I just check this site first? So I made it in 1 month. You could see this is actually a mock-up site. Now if you guys don't know mock-up, if you I'll just show you what it is. The site is slow, that's why I changed the hosting. It's not because the hosting, it's just because I made it real bad. The hosting is fast. The hosting is really fast on this one, but the only problem is I didn't made like good website on this one, so it takes longer to load. But you could see there's this site, and what it does is in mockup that anyone can change this image here. and then they can choose for a pack, this one. And you might think, oh, I don't know how to make a website. There are many more videos on it. Also, there are like so many people on YouTube which shows how to make an e-commerce website. I've made it on WordPress using WooCommerce. WordPress is free, WooCommerce is free. The only thing which I paid is the domain and the hosting, and the SSL came free with it, free with the hosting. All the links of the hostings or the products which I use are in the description. So I would suggest clicking those links. I get a small commission if you click those links. You are not paying anything extra. You just clicking those links and paying the normal price. They just know that, oh, this guy suggested him, so let's just reward him. That's a way I earn. I don't earn from YouTube's like monetization. So please click those links and please help me in that way. Also, there's a donate link if you guys don't want to like that do that way. Also, if you guys don't want to donate, it's completely free, or not free, just no, don't do it obviously. But yeah, let's get started. Too many sidetrack and being greedy. But so what it is that in mockup they could simply change this image. By once they pay for it, they get a digital file where they could use Photoshop to actually change this image. You could say it says PSD5. Now, depending on your skills, you will need to like make this e-commerce sites. For stock photographies, you could make it. For let's say for music snippets, you could make it. If you want to have some audio clips which you want to create, get a decent mic, just make some clanking noise with some what you call, I don't know, the glass clanking, pouring of water. Just go outside really in morning, keep it outside and just record the atmosphere. It could be the birds chirping, it could be just be the horning or the busy streets and stuff. It could completely be anything that you could do. Even just doing some basic vocals, if you can, just doing some voice lines, just being like, hello, welcome to this thing. I don't know what you could sell in voice lines, just you will need to figure it out. I'm just telling you guys what the possibilities are, and the possibilities are endless in this one. And if you want to sell physical products, just do it, but you will need to do the packaging and all once you receive the email address, not the email address, shipping address. And also make sure that if you have physical products, make sure to include the what you call the shipping fees perfectly. Just add a little more than the shipping fee, and instead of saying like this product is of $10 and $8 will be shipping fee, after like adding it to the cart, just make the product $20. Just trust me on that one. Instead of saying that it's the product is of $10 and you're and the guy's like, oh, $10, let's buy it, and then he sees like, oh, $8 shipping, I'm not doing it. So don't just make it for $20 directly if it's for $10, and that way people wouldn't be like disappointed and would actually be like, oh, I was ready to buy it in $20, I'm gonna pay $20, instead of being like, oh, I was going to buy it for $10, no, I have to now pay $8 more for shipping. So just make it for $20. That's one thing I would say. And also make sure to like actually calculate the shippings perfectly, so that you don't go into loss by just shipping stuff. Now, one thing I would say is you could just go for the hosting or you could go for Shopify. Now, if you don't know what Shopify is, there's like $30 per month option for making a Shopify store. If you want to like buy anything, but you will have to pay $30 per month. You could see there are features and stuff, staff account, this stuff. Transaction fees, there's 2%. Even in this one has WooCommerce also has some fees. Sorry. That's why I like digital products so much. You don't need to track about inventory. You don't need to worry about like shipping stuff and all, and it gets instantly done, stuff like that. So, but it's up to you. Like if you want physical products, just go for it. Just don't listen to me that I like digital products. If you have physical products, just go for it. Just be like, this guy is stupid. I want to sell physical products. Now, one thing I would say is that there's so many. Now, this one is for digital products. I don't know, physical products range from so much stuff, so I cannot explain you. But for Digital products, you could just see there's writings, like you could just add blogs and stuff if you want. If you're doing blogs, just do it and add subscription for it. If you're gonna do blogs and add subscription, make sure there's some free stuff. Even in this one, I haven't provided anything for free, and on March, April, or something, I'm going to make most of the products free, and the products which get sold, I'm going to keep it that way, and only like 10 5 or 10%, only 5% I think gets sold mostly of this site. So I'm going to make other 95% free, so that I get like more people coming to my site and being like, okay, it getting more recognized and stuff like that. And I made it on a bad laptop. You could see the quality. It sucks a lot. And I didn't even have the skills that time, but still I made it. So all you have to do is start the what you call selling e-commerce stuff. There are so many tutorials on it to tell you how you could make an e-commerce store for free, but obviously not free, but for some kind of like money involved in it. And then if you're gonna provide free stuff, make sure to have that email link, that when you will only be able to buy it if you like add your email here or something like that, or just give it for free and then add a different section there saying that if you want to get more free stuff which are only for email people, like only for the email list, then sign up here, because email list will actually help you a lot too. I've also not started it, but recently learned that email list is good. That's why I'm going to start that too. And then you could just see there's so many options, writings, ranging from this one. There's audios, which I said you could simply just make it. You could also like, and there's so many stuff you could make with audio also, just crunching this. Like I just looked at my chips bag which is lying there from morning. I could just make some rustling noise and I could sell it for like stuff and stuff. You could add templates and stuff for writing, for like let's say resume and stuff if you want, and sell it for like $1 I think. If you're doing for resume, you could just see that there's also video contents, like I said, stock image, stock footages are good. If you're gonna do like leaves, photos and stuff, just make it free. There's many of those, so if you make it free, people come to your site and stuff like that. But if you're gonna make it really uniquely, then do it. It's up to you. There's designs and stuff for digital marketing, photography obviously being one. This one's IT and tech is mostly for softwares and stuff. Let's see. Even like for WordPress themes, you could make it. WordPress, for example, pass 60% of internet CMS, setting up online stores. Just one more thing, courses. Yeah, course. You could sell your courses. Just use so many stuff. Like there's so many possibilities you could sell there. Just you need to know how to create this e-commerce site. I'm going to create a video on how to create e-commerce sites. I will actually link it in the description. There's also many more tutorials done for it. So it's up to you if you want to start this passive income, or if you just want to like start it as a hobby or like main income, or you don't want to start it. It's up to you. Also, like I've also made I've also made another suggestion saying POD, that is print on demand. I've made a complete video on it. It's like 15 minutes, and I explain it pretty easily. What POD is, that you will make a design, you will put it on a clothes or a mug or anything. You will not be doing anything. You will just be making design, adding it on the store, like this one's like adding it on the store. Just search for T Public link in the description, and you could see so many products will be there. You will just be adding the design, and all the shipping and stuff will be done by those people. There's a POD stuff in this one, and I'm also creating a video call, like 4 or 5 POD sources that you could start from $0. You could also check it and it would explain you a lot. So thank you. I know this video wasn't as good as I wanted it to be, but I just wanted to say that e-commerce has a big what you call this big power of making you rich by giving you passive income and giving you more time. So yeah, how about you just create an e-commerce store? It would take time to make it, but you will actually build upon it slowly and earn passive income, or it might even earn you so much that you will need to like, it would be your active income. So yeah, not active income, but like your main source of income. So that's all. Thank you for watching. donate links or the affiliate links are the description, so please click those and when signing up, and it will help me indirectly for this video. So thank you, goodbye.